Number 8, pass to number 27, jump shot. No good. The rebound by Torio.
Naka-start na. Naka-start na.
Torio for 3. No good. The rebound by number 24, Sing for 2. No good. The rebound by number 44, Mitra. Pass to number 27, Oreo. Hamandron, basket. Number 31 got Naitan. And there's a foul. Counter shot committed by number 44. Number 44, that is her first personal foul, a second team foul. Bonus shot by Gatmaitan. No good. Rebound by Mitra. Pass to number 7, Piao. To number 8, Samera. Samera harassed by Gatmaitan and Baro. Steal by number 86, Baro. Baro to number 31, Gatmaitan. Basket. Time. Knicks. Our official score is 13-6. Time remaining for our first quarter is 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Number 8, Samera. Samera drives, no good. Rebound by Oreo from the baseline. Basket. Number 31, Gatmaitan setting the play. Torio for 2. No good. Rebound by Mitra. Mitra to Piao. Piao pass to Hamandron. Basket. Number 24, Sing setting the play. Long 3 for Sing. No good. Out of bounds. Next basketball. Piao to Somera, attempt for 3. No good. Rebound by number 31, Gatmaitan. Long pass to Torio. Out of bounds again. Next basketball. Somera to Oreo. Oreo to Hamandron. Hamandron from the baseline. Basket. Timeout to 1 shot. Our official score is 13-12. 1 point lead by 1 shot. seconds lang kami libre. 10 seconds shot clock. May still ba ng next? 5, 4, 2, basket! Number 7, Piao, 10 for 3. No good. The rebound by number 24, Singh. Number 86, Navarro drives. Deflected, but same ball. 10 seconds shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. Five, 4, 2, basket. Number 23, Madraso to Piao. 2 points. And there is a foul. A foul committed by number 7, Piao. First personal foul, third team foul. Number 31 got Maitan setting the play. Tumira ng tres, air ball, rebound by number 28, pass to number 6, Hamandron. Hamandron jump shot, the basket. Single and 3. No good. The rebound by number 31 got Maitan. Basket! Number 7, pass to number 23, Madrasa for 3. No good. Basket, number 38, 38, sorry. Hamandron, no good. The rebound by Molina, pass to Gatnaita. For 2, and there's a foul committed by number 23, Madrazo. First personal foul, third team foul. Warning for team penalty, Knicks. First attempt, basket. Second attempt, 2 for 2. One minute left. 10 seconds shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Hamandron for 3. No good. The rebound by Piao. Still no good. The rebound by Piao again. Basket. Number 6 of Knicks, a warning for faking a foul. Got my man for 3, no good. The rebound by Madrazo. Madrazo nagmamadali. Madrazo to Piao, nice pass. Basket, change, favor. 10 seconds left, and there's a foul. Penalty ref. A foul committed by number 7, Piao. Hello, that is your second personal foul. Penalty. Knicks is in penalty situation. First attempt, Panogo.